Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the ground state term symbol, how we can calculate and write the ground state term for S and E, D and F subcells. Mainly we can see about the D or F subcells. We can write for only these subcells the ground state term. So we can write the term symbol. Term symbol we can write like L, J value and 2s plus 1. This is our term symbol, and 2s plus 1, it is called spin multiplicity. Okay, and L value is the term we can write for 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Values for 0 we can write S, 1 के लिए P and 2 के लिए D, F and so on terms we can write. So and for J value is the spin orbit coupling, so we can write L minus S and L plus S. This is L minus S for the less than half filled orbitals we can write, and L plus S more than half filled. So we can see the one example for D1. This is our example, like one electron filled in a D orbital. So we can write D subcell like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbitals in a D subcell. So we can write here the magnetic quantum number 0, plus 1, plus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, these are the magnetic quantum number. We can study all of these in periodicity. So electron field like this according to Hofbauer, Pauli and Hund's rule. Okay, this is our ground state for D1 electron, and we can write for this electronic configuration we can write 2s plus 1 value spin multiplicity. Here we can see S is the spin quantum number, and we can write for 1 electron spin quantum number plus half. So 2s plus 1 value is 2 multiply half plus 1, and it is 2. Okay, so spin multiplicity is 2, and the L value for D1 electron, it is 2. For 2 number we can write the term is called D term. Okay, capital D. Okay, so for J value we can less than half filled, we can write the J value 2 minus 2 J value like L minus S, and we can write 2 minus 2 because 2 minus half we can write 2 minus half because the spin, this is the spin quantum number, not spin multiplicity, so we can write half. So 2 minus half is 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. So we can write the term symbol for D, ground state term symbol. Okay, ground state term symbol for D1 electronic configuration, like L value we can see D term is called D, and J value is 3/2, and spin multiplicity is 2. So this is our ground state term symbol for D1 electronic configuration. And we can see the next example here over example second, like for D4. okay, मोर देन हाफ फील्ड कर लेते हैं. ओके, तो मोर देन हाफ फील्ड के लिए D6. ओके, वी कैन राइट D6, 1 2 3 4 5, and this is our 6 electron. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. This is our ml values. So we can write the L value for D6 electron configuration. We can write all of these. For D5 electrons, the L value is 0 because plus 2 cancel out the minus 2, plus 1 cancel out the minus 1. okay, and 0 is the 0, and there is no value. Okay, so for 1 electron in plus 2 ml values, so L values, the term is for 2 is right 2, right is right D term. okay, so this term like D, and 2s plus 1 value is for this electron configuration is like changed, like s value is half 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 half. For half is called 2. okay, and 2s plus 1 value is 2 multiply 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So J value, we can write J value, J is equal to more than, so L plus S, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we can write the term is equal to D, and J value is 4, and the spin multiplicity is 5. So D6 electron configuration, we can write the ground state term symbol is 5D4. So for D field in the electron D electronic configuration F1, we can write the ground state term for F1 electronic configuration. okay, so we can see like F subcell, we can write F subcell have 7 orbitals, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and these 7 orbitals. For F1 electron configuration, we can fill the electron in the 1, and plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is our ml values. And for F1 electronic configuration, we can write the L value is plus 3, and for plus 3 we can write the terms symbol is F. okay, this is also called, this type of term symbol also called Mulliken symbols. Mulliken, not this, but the F term is split. No, this is not here, but we can see for L value 3, we can write the term symbol F, and spin multiplicity 2s plus 1. For 1 electron, S value is half, so 2 multiply half plus 1 is equal to 2, and J value is less than half field, so L minus S is equal to 3 minus half is equal 5 by 2. So we can write the ground state term symbol GST, ground state term. We can write L value 3, F we can write, and J value is 5 by 2, and 2s plus 1 spin multiplicity is 2. This is our ground state term for F1. And here we can write about F5, F6, the other electron field in F O subcell and D subcell. We can write the ground state terms. So thank you so much guys. We can see the other things in next video. So thank you so much, and like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye, thank you.